Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Happy Thursday. Today's July 15th, and it is Thursday. We have jazz tonight. Jazz in our garden. Starts at 6:30 to 9. We haven't had jazz in a couple weeks due to the rain. So jazz only happens if it is not raining outside, because we are only doing jazz outside in the garden. So jazz starts tonight at 6:30, so 6:30 to 9. Come join us. We do have a lot of reservations tonight, so we do recommend calling ahead, 647-3000 to make reservations. We are getting ready for some catering events this weekend. Just got a last minute call from a friend, and she wants some gluten-free options for her granddaughter's 4th birthday. So we're getting ready for that. We're going up to Geneva, and we are catering up there at Ravine's Wine Cellar on Saturday night for 50 people at one of their events up there. So super excited about that. And let's see, tonight is jazz. Some of you are just joining. So jazz tonight, 6:30 to 9. Thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Hello, Mom. Hello, Thomas. Ralph, Michael, I know there's a few more on. If you're watching me live, if you can put #live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, #replay. Give me a thumbs up so I know that you're here. I super appreciate that. Marcus and I are super appreciative of all of the people that have supported us throughout the last year and a half since I've been doing my Facebook Lives. If you're new to my Facebook Lives, I've been doing these since the beginning or the middle of March of 2020, so it's over a year and a half now. And if you knew me back then, I'd actually like to go back and watch myself on one of these Facebook Lives. Marcus says that all the time. Each one gets better and better. So thank you for everybody's support. Hello, Ralph. Thank you. Thank you. Let's see. So $9.99 special this week is our wild coho salmon served with a dill aioli. You can call and place an order for that. That is to go only for $9.99. And our regular menu is available as well. I highly, highly, highly recommend reservations. If it is nice outside, we'll be seating in our garden only. If it is rainy and cold, we'll be inside in our dining room. So let's see. So today, my drink of the day is a WT40, and it has blood orange. So I'm actually going to take some fresh blood oranges. I'm actually going to juice them in our juicer. So we have this great juicer behind the bar. I am juicing some blood orange juice. So, and then vodka and seltzer. So super simple. We get a lot of requests in here for non-sugary drinks, and, more, lighter drinks. So we found this, I've been making this drink for friends. And so we are going to start, I'm going to make this right now. So give me a second, let me put ice in my glass. So we have, I'm going to pour the blood orange juice first. That is from the blood orange. That's one blood orange. We're going to add 2 ounces of vodka. And we top it off with a little bit of seltzer from the gun. And that's it. Super simple. You can use any fruit in here, any fruit juice. Doesn't have to be freshly squeezed juice. It can be grapefruit juice, orange juice, any juice that you'd like. You can add some sort of liqueur to it rather than blood orange, but vodka, fresh blood orange juice right from these blood oranges that I just juiced, and seltzer. That's it. Super easy to make. You can make this at home. It's a really nice cocktail. And let's see, that is it. So I named it the WT40 after some friends who drink this all the time. And that's it. So happy July 15th. Everybody have an awesome day. I don't think I'll be on live tomorrow unless I'm at a winery up in the Finger Lakes tomorrow afternoon and I go live and I talk about wine. I'm sure Marcus and I will do a Facebook Live in the morning. He skipped his today. He had to go pick up meat and had to go do some of that kind of stuff today in the morning. And let's see, so $9.99 special is our wild coho salmon and with a dill aioli. And we have jazz tonight, 6:30 in the garden. Monday night we do have a wine dinner It is 4 wines and a dish for $29. It's outside in our garden. If you'd like to come to that, I highly recommend it. We pull wines right from our wine list, so they're not cheaper wines or anything like that. They are delicious wines right off of our wine list. That is Monday evening at 6:30. So if you'd like to come to that wine dinner, 647-3000. We do sell out. July might be a little slower. Usually July is slower for our wine dinners. Hello everybody, thanks for joining. Hi Tammy, hi Ralph, hello Joe, hello everybody else who's watching me. I gotta taste my drink. Cheers, it's nice and refreshing. That blood orange is just very subtle and delicious. So thank you everybody. And that's it, I'm gonna get going and get ready for dinner service tonight. And I hope everybody has an awesome weekend. Stay cool out there. Make sure you drink lots of water. Hello, Nicholas. Make sure you drink lots of water and stay hydrated. And that's it. Cheers, and I will catch everybody soon, probably over the weekend at some point, and definitely Monday. So have a great day, everybody. Cheers.